The Malayan tiger is a Panthera tigris population in Peninsular Malaysia. This population inhabits the southern and central parts of the Malay Peninsula and has been classified as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List in 2015. The population was roughly estimated at 250 to 340 adult individuals in 2013 and likely comprised less than 200 mature breeding individuals and has a declining trend. In the Malay language, the tiger is called harimau, also abbreviated to rimau. It is also known as the Southern Indochinese tiger, to distinguish it from tiger populations in northern parts of Indochina, which are genetically different to this population. When in 1968 Panthera tigris corbeti was designated, the Malayan tiger was included into this subspecies. In 2004, Panthera tigris jacksoni was recognized as a distinct subspecies as a genetic analysis indicated differences in mitochondrial DNA and microsatellite sequences to Panthera tigris corbeti. Since revision of phyletic taxonomy in 2017, the Malayan tiger is recognized as a Panthera tigris population. However, a genetic study published in 2018 supported 6 monophyletic clades based on whole genome sequencing analysis of 32 specimens. The Malayan tiger appeared to be distinct from other mainland Asian tiger specimens, thus supporting the concept of 6 subspecies. When the tiger population of the Malay Peninsula was accepted as a distinct subspecies in 2004, the chairman of the Malaysian Association of Zoos, Parks and Aquaria argued that the new subspecies should be named Panthera tigris malayensis to reflect the geographical regions of its range. As a compromise, it received the vernacular name Malayan tiger and the scientific name Panthera tigris jacksoni, which honors the tiger conservationist Peter Jackson. Nevertheless, Panthera tigris malayensis was used by other authors.
Next, by sense the tigers are primarily nocturnal hunters, possible because of their night vision. They have the ability to see long distances both day and night. Tigers also have extremely sensitive hearing capabilities. They are able to communicate using infrasound, which is inaudible to most other species. Tigers also have a keen sense of smell, and they rely on scent to mark their territories. The tiger strip coat helps them blend in well with the sunlight filtering through the treetops to the jungle floor. The tiger's seamless camouflage to their surrounding is enhanced because the striping also help break up their body shape, making them difficult to detect for unsuspecting prey. The tiger's sense of hearing is so sharp that they are capable of hearing infrasound, which are sound waves below the range of normally audible sound 20 Hz. Tigers use infrasound to communicate over long distances or dense forest vegetation because the sound is capable of passing through a variety of mediums such as trees, and mountains. Tigers has extremely good hearing. This super good hearing allows it to pick up infrasound. The fact that they can hear infrasound allows them to create infrasound which lets them communicate better. Infrasound is helpful because it can travel through solid objects such as rocks, trees, and even mountains. This allows them to hear their prey through trees, rocks, and other jungle debris. This allows them to hunt and communicate with other tigers better. An adult Malayan tiger shows an individual behavior but can hunt in groups if necessary. It performs the same hunting style of other subspecies of tigers. It silently stalks the prey from a discreet distance, then approaches without making any noise and catches the animal. It can hold the prey with its front legs and bite its neck to kill it quickly. Due to the low density of prey, the amount of the Malaysian tigers is also small. Interestingly, the area where this and other large predators have disappeared hold a high presence of white balls which can a pest.
After a century of decline, overall wild tiger numbers are on the rise. Around 3,900 tigers remain in the wild, but much more work is needed to protect this species if we are to secure in future in the wild. In some areas, including much of South Asia, tigers are still increases and still declining in the number. As a large predator, the tiger plays a key role in maintaining healthy ecosystem. These ecosystems supply both nature and people with fresh water, food, and health. Securing tiger landscape could help protect at least 9 major watersheds, which regulate and provide fresh water for up to 830 million people. To save tigers, we need to secure forest habitats across Asia where they live. By protecting large, biological diverse landscape, we allow tigers to roam and preserve the many other endangered species that live there. In order to protect just one tiger, we have to conserve around 25 million acres of forests. Tigers have lost about 95% of their historical range. Their habitat has been destroyed, degraded, and fragmented by human activities. The clearings of forests for agriculture and timber, as well as the building of road network and other development activities, pose serious threat to tiger habitats. Tigers need wide swaths of habitat for their survival since they are very theoretical. Rivers tiger can survive in small, scattered islands of habitat, which lead to a higher risk of inbreeding and make tigers more vulnerable to poaching as they venture beyond protected area to establish their own territories. The tiger is a unique animal which plays a pivotal role in the health and diversity of an ecosystem. It is a top predator which is at the apex of the food chain and keeps the population of wild, thereby maintaining the balance between prey herbivore and the vegetation upon which they feed. Therefore, the presence of tiger in the forest is an indicator of the well-being of the ecosystem. The existence of this top predator is an indication that its ecosystem is not sufficiently protected, and neither will it exist for long thereafter. Therefore, it's not just about saving a beautiful animal, it is about making sure that we leave a little forest, as the forests are known to provide ecological service like clean air, water, pollination, and temperature regulation. We should appreciate these species by help not destroying their habitat or by putting signs up to let people know a Malayan tiger habitat is located there and restrict the area from everyone entering it. Penalties for killing tiger and protected wildlife need to be strongly enforced and be strong enough as to be a complete deterrent to the poaching of tigers, while also deterring those who profit from such killings.